Today, we're going to teach you how to do a single leg stand-up. This movement challenges your balance and stabilization in a single leg squat. The difference is you get to sit down in between each rep. However, it's not to make it any easier, it just doesn't allow you to bounce out of the movement. I'm Kori Boggs, personal trainer at Bennett Fitness.
And I'm Brad Boggs. I'm also a personal trainer and owner of Bennett Fitness. Here at Bennett Fitness, we provide you with exercise tips, nutritional tips, also workout classes, because we are all about helping you on your fitness journey, whatever that is. So definitely check out those videos. After this quick tip video, let's jump right into it.
The single leg stand-up can be performed on anything that you can sit on. We're gonna use a box, but you can use a chair, you can use your sofa, even your bed. But make note that the higher the thing you're sitting on is, the easier it will be. The lower it is, the harder it will be. So we're gonna use this box, and Brad is going to begin by performing 2 reps for you to show you what it looks like. Hopefully he's warm enough to do it correctly. It's okay, if not, we'll make corrections, okay? So Brad's gonna just do 2 so you see what it looks like. He had to think about that, I don't know if you saw that.
It's hard not to use momentum.
Which we'll talk about, yep. Good, nice job, Brad. So he's gonna turn sideways. So in this position, he's gonna move the box back so we're a little bit centered for you. He's gonna sit down, just sit down, Brad, don't even worry about it. Let's actually extend the other leg out. Let's switch your legs. Can you do that for me? Maybe make it a little bit harder. So when he starts, he'll first start with a vertical shin, but then move back just about 2 inches or so. So now you're gonna move it back, Brad. I was just showing a vertical shin to move back. And then this leg is extended out. We're not gonna use this leg for support. He's going to slightly reach forward, don't stand up, reach forward, have his shoulders pulled down his back so he has a big chest, he's slightly hinged forward. From there, he's gonna stand. I made him do his non-dominant leg so you guys can see this better. And that's okay, you're seeing a real life demonstration, okay? So you're gonna lean slightly forward. He's gonna stand nice and tall all the way up. Oh. And back down. Okay, let's do it again. So the goal of this, I may actually have him turn towards you in a second. Good, and sit back down. Let's have him, you turn that way and do another one with that leg. So another thing to make note of is he's using his arms for counterbalance. This knee, you wanna make sure it always is lined up with your second and third toes. If it wobbles in and out, we wanna make sure we have good glute strength to get all the way to the top. And one more, Brad. Good, so I'm gonna have him stay facing you, and I'm gonna show you how to make it a little bit easier if this is too hard. So let's sit back down, Brad. So you would keep this leg straight, but his heel is going to stay in the ground. So you're going to use support from this leg to stand right up. Good, you have a little bit more stability through your hips, and it takes a little bit of weight off the front leg.
Great way to progress and learn how to do the movement. This is how it's best taught with your clients to get them to that point where their heel can be off the ground.
And then if it feels too easy, you can lower the box, eventually getting to like a pistol squat, which is just a single leg straight out, down and up.
Corey's gonna show you that right now.
All right, let's try. Ready? I think I can.
That's impressive.
Ta-da.
I can't do that.
So, and then if you, or to make it easy or harder, you can also hold weight at your chest, or even don't even do the counterbalance, because that gives you a little bit of extra momentum.
Perfect.
Great.
All right, that's all we have for you today. If you have any questions, comments, comment down below. I always say words twice, comment down below. Let us know what you think. We'd love to hear your feedback. Check out our other videos, and we'll see you next time.